Thokozani emakhosini indlovukazi ya inkosazana yasemalwandle thokozani bogogo thokozani bomkhulu. So as I have promised, I wanted to do this video for the longest time, to help you when it go to uthandaza njani. How do you pray? How do you pray, Vele? How do you pray? How do you pray? So sanbonani. Okay, ne? There is so there's no like there's no fixed way of praying. There's no like, you know, when you pray like this, like that. But so that your prayer can be powerful, or can have purpose, or can your prayer ivakale ngibeke njalo, your prayers avakale now thandas. Let me say it like that. I'm not talking about shouting, no. Yabona na uthandaza ufuna ukuthi imthandazo yakho ivakale, uNkulunkulu akuphendule, kumbe ikhona ukuthi ifinyelele kuye, you understand? Ngakubekela sona ne. Okay, kusimple. Do not overcomplicate things. And do not do things for a show off. You understand? I hope I'm making myself clear. Now thandaza, it's not about a show off. But yeah, I'm praying for the longest time, God is gonna hear me. No, it does not work like that. It does not work like that, and I don't think it will ever work like that. It's not about praying for 2 hours. It's not about praying for 5 hours. No. Yes, it's good. It's good. If vele umuntu lokuthi vele wena uthanaza for 1 hour, for 2 hours, it's still fine. If you can do it, you can do it. It's still fine. But mthandazo wakho fanele ube ne purpose, fanele ube ne that ube sincere. Let me just say that like that. Ube sincere. Vele enhlitweni yakho. Because you can be praying for 1 hour, but gungana next, like gungana next, you just saying blah, 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 blah. Why 1 hour you get, you understand? So now thandaza complicated thing. If you are praying for a job, thandaza lo awube fixed up good that particular topic of you wanting a job. Awube fixed on uNkulunkulu wami ngiphe msebenzi. If you are praying for a protection, fine, uNkulunkulu wami protect, ngivikele emoyeni lemibi yaSathane. Ungacomplicate into. You understand? Or you can add my prayer points akho abe 3. Ungacomplicate into, so that now thandaza, like you ungabi lost. Because uthotha thandaza for 1 hour, but you are in that prayer, you are thinking, oh uNkulunkulu wami, kambe I owe someone money. You are praying, but you're thinking, kambe I owe someone money. Where am I gonna get that 10,000? Where am I gonna get that 50,000? I owe someone money. And then now your prayer, you understand that you're no longer like you're no longer praying. You're no longer praying because now you are lost. Let me just put it like that. You are lost. You are wasting your time. You are wasting your time. Asibe fair, you are wasting your time. So what I prefer ne kuthi you do kuze mthandazo wakho ube effective. Now thandaza, make it short, make it clear, and make it powerful. Start with fire, end with fire. You understand? So topic yakho fanele ibe ne fire. Your middle part must have fire. Your conclusion also even a fire. It should be fire. You understand? so that Sathane nawuthandaza angabhiza akukhulumisa, because angaqala akukhulumisa uthandaza, like, trust me, you are wasting your time. I'm not saying you shouldn't be praying. I'm saying you shouldn't let him talk to you. You shouldn't be hearing him when you are praying. I know there are times where you will hear him, but try by all means, whenever you are praying, ungamuva nakakhulumisa, because utakukhulumisa, hey, when you all rent or uyolala udleni namuhla, uyolala udleni, utakukhulumisa vele, you understand? So now uthandaza maybe for 5 minutes, make sure ukuthi now uthandaza ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngicela imali ye-rent. Uyaqala rababa shatere boko sene yala makasana yala bara reko koko shadara baba, uyathandaza, Lord bless me with that job. You're praying for a job. Father, I am receiving that job today in the mighty name of Jesus. Father, I am receiving that call today in the name of Jesus. Shabarabaka, whatever, however that you pray, you understand? Open the fire over Juluga. 5 minutes you are Juluga. Rabababa. You are entering realms. 5 minutes nje. 5 minutes. Whoever. Jinja matang. Yaqala vibrator just for 5 minutes. Satan uyokhuluma nawe njani? Ngitshela, uyokhuluma nawe njani? Uyokhuluma nawe njani? Angekho nokukhuluma nawe. By doing so, Satan leyo chance ukuthi akhulumise and arune your prayer. Akakhoni. Why you are on fire now, he's burning, you understand? So if you are praying, Nkulunkulu wami ngibonga ukuthi ngiyaphila namuhla, Nkulunkulu ngicela imali yegesi, Nkulunkulu ngahlupheka kangaka, Nkulunkulu ngishoda ngesikipa sami lesibobokile, ngiyacela Jehova usibusise ngemsebenzi, isicathulo lesiyana ngikhona kusigcoka mara kusasa. So how is it gonna work? You understand? So if you ngathini kucala kancane, little by little, ne? 5 minutes can be 5 hours in the spirit. You understand? Can be 5 hours. It's not about going like 10 hours praying Nkulunkulu ngifile namuhla. So unacela ngaleyo 5 minutes wayimastara, wayibambisisa ne, wayiconquer, then unga-add say another, maybe say add 10 minutes, so you make it 15 minutes. Now you're praying for 15 minutes. Naleyo 15 minutes uyakuthi uyibamba ngemlilo, mlilo uze uqede. Angeke akukhulumise Satan, uyokhulumisa njani Nkosi yami? Angeke. So umake sure ukuthi now uthandaza, you switch off angati lo msindo, switch off lo msindo lotobukhulumisa loba sengisathana ukukhulumisa, ngiyahlala ngakukhulumisa, because umake sure ukuthi umthandazo wakho awufinyelela uNkulunkulu, awufiki by all means. So try now hard ukuthi now uthandaza angakukhulumisa, noma akukhulumisa, when I just be lost in the spirit. Lelo langa lathi tshela khona yabo lona muhla ne hayi unemanga. Lelo langa ne umkhombe lokunyilanga akaza kubona. Ulahleke nje, uqala ukhale, urole. Nabo utshela ukuthi athini ngothandaza just for 15 minutes, urole for 1 hour. Dobona angeke kuhlale kungatshintshi empilweni yakho. Angeke kungatshintshi. Even if urola for 5 minutes, even if urola for 3 minutes, as long as lo mthandazo wakho ubuya enhlitweni yakho. First of all, you need to be humble. Now uqala ngani uyasho ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngaphambi kokuso bakho Nkosi. Vuma ukuthi uNkulunkulu wami ngiyawona mihla nemalanga. I'm a sinner. You understand? Because we're not perfect. We'll never be perfect. we sin. It might be intentionally, it might not be. So ask for forgiveness before you start. You understand? So that Satan noma khuluma, like your spirit knows ukuthi I am forgiven. I am forgiven. Whatever this being, this demon, lo Satan lo wakhuluma ngako, like that's not me. That's no longer me. You understand? I have moved past that. My God has forgiven me. Utati ukuthi ungubani kuNkulunkulu. So i-relationship yakho naye le tinto etingakusita ukuthi the aid in your prayer life ne. Your relationship with him, you must know where you stand. How do you know where you stand? We are checking, okay, excellent. Do I wake up and pray? Maybe when I'm cooking, do I have time to pray? Or maybe when I go to the bathroom, do I, like, you understand? So in order to a relationship yakho naye and your prayer life ikhuphuke, it shouldn't be about 1 hour. I can't pray at work because now I don't get time. You get time to go to the bathroom. First of all, you get time to text your friend for, maybe you guys can chat for 2 minutes or 10 minutes. You pray, Father, I am here today. Ngemusa nelthando lakho ngiyabonga uNkulunkulu wami. La kuqhamuka khona akwanze Nkosi. Nganzisele Jehovah Jireh. You understand? You do not have to wait to get home for you to pray. Not now uphume emsebenzini nakhona. Likhona nyana, or maybe when you are walking. Be praying inside your heart. Sometimes you do not have to like say things aloud. No, inside your heart. Uyakuva nakhona enhlitweni yakho na uthandaza. Uyakuva le nhlitiyo leyo kana uthi uyendeleni because uyendele ukuthi na ukhuluma naye letinye izinto vele efanele tibe imfihlakalo tiviwe nguye naye. We understand? Do you understand? Or angat? I hope this makes sense, guys. So what I'm trying to say, make it short, make it powerful, make it meaningful, and it must come straight from your heart. I can't concentrate when I am praying. Why? You won't be able to concentrate because you'll be listening to the devil. Switch off everything. Ifone yakho, I prefer ukuthi vele we switch off because it don't disturb. Loyo Sathane somewhere utomthumela ukuthi akufonele ngaleso sikhathi lo tithi uyabona namuhla I want to do it right. Namuhla like I want to fix a relationship yami naNkulunkulu. Utofika Sathane ngiyahlala ngafika. Just like when you say I want I'm fasting, yo chicken licking your fella out of nowhere. Ivele nje. So try by all means because whenever you're doing something ne uzame ukuthi letinto leyo ate ukuthi to distracta tisuke. Position yourself somewhere where you know ukuthi yabona lana ne kude into leto khuluma nami la sengiyobe ngibukane nabantu naNkulunkulu naSathane kuphela. You understand? Phela. So uyatifundisa always ukuthi ngiyabona Sathane nakaqala ukukhuluma lapho ngila fanele ngithandaze khona kakhulu. Lapho ngila fanele ngithandaze khona kakhulu. Thandaza kakhulu so that whatever he's saying you cannot hear, man. You cannot hear. Mqondo wakho fanele utitshele ukuthi atikutheni. Yebo ngiyakuthi na ungene emthandazweni yathi ngakuthi yathini angakuthi ngolala ngidle ini angakuthi rent ngiyibhadala ngani angakuthi i-installment yemoto ngoyibhadala ngani angakuthi bantwana bami bolala badlile angakuthi esibhedlela ngofika kanjani ngivakashele my sister, my mother or my brother or my children. You understand? Or my child or my husband. Thinking atiningi sihlale thinking vele. You understand? So teacher ukuthi atikuthini thinking atihlale tikhona and thinking wonke umuntu unato thinking lento le ayiqali ngawo and angeke iphele ngawo. I mean like ngeke igcine ngawo as is for that. So the position in such a way yokuthi you don't give Satan a chance ukuthi akukhulumise. akukhulumise. No, thandaza. Even if you do not know how to, if you can pray for the longest time but Satan uyakukhulumisa whenever you are praying, switch off. Switcha njani off? Nakacala khuluma, pray kakhulu, pray aloud kakhulu, like if it means you saying fire, say that fire, so that lo bekakhulumisa ngako like kuyaphuma engcondweni yakho awusakuva, ubuyele futhi shabababa saterebo yadabarasatan. We understand something must work. It will work, trust me. Naqala athi akhuluma uyamtshela nokumtshela ungamsabi. You devil, stay out of my head, stay away from me. Pray. Ungamniki chance ukuthi akukhulumise. Ungamniki chance ukuthi akukhulumise. You know ukuthi mina what I like to do ne is that now nangicala kuthandaza ngiyacela ngani ngixolele ini nangicela lapho ngiyathandaza futhi ngithini Sathane, stay away, phuma uhambe la, awufunakala la, phuma, don't talk to me, cale ngithandaza. So that when I'm praying, like angidisturb nami ngithini, you devil, don't talk to me, because now like I don't want any disturbances. I do not want any disturbances. If there's someone or somewhere making noise, because some people nabakuva uchathanaza ngase le demon lifuka kakhulu aqala nje yende emsindo lo ungawadi ukuthi kahle sekwende njani. Nakayenda njalo pray kakhulu, thandaza kakhulu, thandaza. Trust me, udoncoba. Now uthi Sathane ucela ukukhulumisa, wena thandaza kakhulu so that voice ungayiva. Into lo fanele uyive, fanele uve mthandazo wakho. And then another thing they talk sitane, now thandaza, have that vision yokuthi lo muntu lo mthandaza lo mthandaza kuyi, kumbe lo cela kuye, let me put it like that. Lo nkulunkulu lo mthandaza lo cela kuye tinto. Now uthi wena ula, like mbeke somewhere here, it should be like this. Kube ngathi lo muntu ukhona vele la, uyangunderstand? Kube ngathi vele ukhona ngoba vele ubeseka khona, na uthandaza, na ummema uyeda. So akebe khona la, kube nala thing yokuthi ngase uyambona, akube ngathi uyambona vele nangila uyambona. Because sometimes it can be like you feel the presence, but vele you can't say anything, you understand? Because uNkulunkulu akabona. So when I try ukuthi umbeke somewhere phambi kwebuso bakho, kube ngathi uyambona, so that lona akakhulumisa lo Sathane angavakali nokuvakala. Focus kulo uNkulunkulu lo mthandaza kula. Sengathi uyambona, like now ukhuluma tindo takho, like kube ngathi ukhuluma nemuntu lo khona la, ngoba vele kunjalo. So if you can put it like that, kutindo leto kudisturb Sathane angeke akudisturb, angeke. Thandaza in such a manner kutokusita kakhulu, umbeke la uNkulunkulu. Now thandaza ukuthi enkulu, kumbe sometimes now uqala kuthandaza, uqala ukhulume naye nje as a friend. uNkulunkulu nyelo ngenda sona hey mara yatini hele impilo le sona site njengoba ngithandaza so lo Sathane nakazama ukungikhulumisa angabi nemandla njengoba mina ngikhuluma so kube ngasi ngiyambona so lo muntu uyahlupha lo, sengicela ungiside njengoba ngitothandaza so ube nami. Then now thandaza nakhona, like now vale mehlo, akube na that vision of him in front of you created. Nayo utokusita ukuthi kube just na something lapho angike akende next Sathane, ngeke. Noma ngazama ukukhweba, ngazama ukuthisha like this it won't work. Get lost whenever you're praying, get lost. so that nawe ungadi-disturb. We understand, because now ungadi-disturb, besides Satan, now you can disturb yourself as well. So make sure with the phone we switch it off. It's a one-on-one. It's you meeting your creator. It's you and your creator. You understand? Nguwe nguNkulunkulu wakho la. Nguwe nethinking atakho. Ufuna ukuthi thinking atakho tisuke ngani? So do what's needed. Akudlalwa. Now uthanaza awudlali. So those things can help you. I hope I make sense. Thokozani emakhosini ngibonge kakhulu. Thokozani ndawo.